Congratulations on purchasing the most portable scooter in the world. I'm going to show you today how to unbox your ATTO scooter. This can be for the ATTO Sport or the ATTO Classic. Today we will start with the ATTO Sport. Have a knife ready and just simply cut along the top, tilt the box, cut along the bottom like so, back down and down the center. Okay, next we will open the box like two doors. You will see your flight certificate come out. You also have your operational manual in here along with your charger. And then we will just simply take the styrofoam plastic out and some of the packing material. And this scooter can now be wiggled out like so. Okay, the plastic comes off fairly easy by tilting the scooter back and forth and lifting the plastic off. Just like that. I'm going to turn it around. Okay, there are this lever comes off and you raise the handlebar. That way you can take off the rest of the plastic. These are your remote controls to the key fobs, so you can turn the scooter on and off if you have a Sport. The next thing you're going to do is remove the battery. Okay, you're going to push right here this button, lift the battery out, and with two hands take it out. We're going to slide off this red sticker or rip it, and then you'll see this fuse in a little Ziploc bag. You're going to take the fuse out. Let's set this down. You're going to remove this little fuse cover right here by just flipping it up. There's no screws needed, no screwdriver, just flip it up. Next, we're going to take the fuse and insert it into the two silver slots. Make sure the prongs fit in the slot like that and push down. This is a standard 30 amp automotive fuse available anywhere, but they generally do not blow, so you don't have to worry about ever getting to this again. Replace the cap and then seat the battery rear right here at the top and push down to put it back. And next you will go into the operational videos showing you how to split the scooter so that it's super easy and lightweight to lift, and also shows you how to fold and unfold. Good luck.